Hello, welcome to this channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be walking you through step by step on how to turn on your two-step verification on Facebook so that your Facebook account will be strong and active to avoid scammers from getting into your Facebook account. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So the first thing you have to do is to go to that three dots where the arrow pointed right now. Then you scroll down to settings where the arrow is pointing right now. If you don't know where is settings, then you go down to password and security. Tap on it. Just allow it to load up. Once you are there, you scroll down, you see use two-step verification authentication. You tap on that area. Just allow it to load up. Then you scroll down. Either you want to use the authentication app, which is more secured. They recommended that one, but I don't like that. Maybe if your phone lost, you cannot access it. So the best you use is test. Then you have to add your number. Let's allow it to load. You say text message SMS. Then you tap on it. Then add your phone number. Either use another phone number or use the one that is currently there. But I prefer you use another phone number that you don't carry around. So that once anyone wants to hack into your Facebook account, it will not be possible for them to do that. So what I'll be doing now is to just go down and copy one of my phone number and add it there. Then you hit on continue. Yes, allow it to load up. Hit on continue, it's loading. Okay, that's it. They sent a code, so let me just go and confirm it. So that's the code here. 65997. Sorry, there's a mistake there. Please, if you're getting value from this video, please do well to subscribe to this channel because I upload more tricks on how to secure your Facebook account to avoid hackers from hacking into the Facebook account. Boom. That is it. You are done now. Your Facebook account is secure. No one can hack into your Facebook account. That is it. And that's your Facebook account. Anytime you want to log in, that is a code they will send to that your number you added just now. If you did not confirm the code, you are not logging into the Facebook account. So that is it. And that is how secured it is. It's another way of securing your Facebook account from hackers from hacking into. After that, the next thing you have to do, just put your password. That's all. Your Facebook account is secured and trusted. So please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel, share these videos to all your loved ones and friends and families. See you in my next video. Bye.